Why did the year without a summer push for new crops? Imagine a summer where snow falls in July and frost kills your crops. That's what happened in 1816, known as the year without a summer. It was caused by a huge volcanic eruption in Indonesia called Mount Tambora. The eruption sent ash and sulfur dioxide high into the sky, blocking sunlight and cooling the planet. This sudden climate change hit North America and Europe hard, with crops failing and food shortages spreading fast. Farmers relied heavily on crops like corn and wheat, but the cold and drought destroyed many fields. In North America, frost and snow even in summer meant farmers couldn't harvest enough food. Europe faced similar problems, with widespread crop failures that made food prices skyrocket and caused hunger. People had to find new ways to survive, which meant trying out different crops that could grow in cooler weather. Scientists and farmers started experimenting with plants that could handle the chilly conditions. For example, they looked at crops from colder regions or those that grew faster. This push for new crops led to innovations in agriculture. A famous scientist named Justus von Liebig, who grew up during the famine, later discovered that plants could benefit from minerals made in factories. This discovery led to chemical fertilizers, which helped farmers grow more food even in tough weather. The crisis also changed how people moved around. Because horses became too expensive to feed, inventors created new ways to get around. Carl Drees invented the Laufmaschine, or running machine, which was an early kind of bicycle. This invention was a response to the high cost of maintaining horses during the hard times. Looking at the bigger picture, the year without a summer shows how environmental disasters can push societies to change. It forced people to think differently about farming and transportation. These changes led to new ideas and inventions that helped society bounce back and grow stronger. So, the push for new crops was really about adapting to survive and making sure food could be grown even when the weather was against them.